in the beginning, in the beginning.
Yeah, but when you're going to spit fire.
Morning, we are live with another video. Today is another day dealing with the cars, dealing with shit, going on a vlog, you feel me, chilling with the guys, you know vibe. But today's vibe is Minty's Detailing's new shop, or Minty's Precision. Sorry, he changed the name. And they're opening a new shop in Sunset Park, and today's the grand or soft opening, or whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna be popping out today with the E36 and with some of the Pack Boys guys, and we're gonna be outside today. You know, whatever vibe is going on, you know that we a part of that. Trying to be outside, be active, consistent all year. But before I go, all right, so if y'all can see, the positive wire from my fuel pump is disconnected because it was burning itself out, bro. I don't know what was going on with the ring terminal that I had there, but it literally burnt itself out. Even let me see if I could find it. In here is dirty, please don't pay any mind. The castle nut for it, bro. The castle nut started to melt, if y'all could see this, and it's at an angle now. That shit is absolutely crazy to me how this ended up like this. Like, so I'm gonna redo my fuel system real quick. It's already 12 o'clock. Today's shit was supposed to start at 12. You know we always late fashionably, but so I'm about to knock this out real quick and then wash the car, and then we should be out of here, hopefully by 1.
That's not happening.
Checking back in, I fixed the fuel issue. It's 1:42, I'm super late. We washing the E36 now. Run the time lapse.
Fell off tomorrow, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still hug me? If I got locked up and sent this till a quarter century, could I count on you to be there to support me mentally? If I went back till hoopty for my bands, would you poof and disappear like some of my friends? If I was hit and I was hurt, would you be by my side? If it was time to put in work, would you be down to ride? I doubt, kill a nigga, kept me chillin' drive. I'm asking questions to find out how you feel inside. If I ain't rap, I flip burgers at Burger King. Would you be ashamed to tell your friends you're feeling me? In the bed, if I use my tongue, would you like that? If I wrote you a love letter, would you write back? If we could have a little drink, you know, a nightcap, we can go do what you like. I know you like that. Like, girl, it's easy to love me.
It is currently, what time is it? It is 4:02. And the event is supposed to finish at 5, and we are still not there yet, but we're on the way. And everything went smooth. Car is driving nice. My boys is behind us. My other boys with me. And we live. Pick back up the camera when we get there.
Switch flips.
Just pulled up to the meet, parked up. Yo, it's active out here. Yo, this is a famous man right here.
Not me, man. I'm not famous, man. I'm not.
Yo, wagwan.
Yo, moving like the Charger niggas, bro.
How?
No bonnet, right?
Chill. I gotta show the turbo up.
What's the peanut butter? Oh my God.
I know niggas can't hear me, but shout out to Minty on his new accomplishment, new shop. We inside the shop.
Party I look so. How the party I look so. How my girl them stand up and I look so. What you do to me? Selector, don't say when I see the girl them bubble man. Feel up to see the girl them a bubble, put up your hand. You play song, the girl star bus down. So what the girl them time, play song, the girl white cash. Big selector up.
Niggas cannot find parking. It's crazy to see this truck in person. Like, yo, chat. I'm 6'4", no cap in the chat, bro. Look at me in the truck, bro. Nah, this shit is tough. This shit is tough. SRT life, Shaq. Ain't gonna lie. You did your thing with this truck, bro. No cap.
You know rookie, catch the baseline, watch it, girl, them a should be hey. When the girl, them a dip it and a drop it to a funny man. If you not happy, all I'm in it. Girl, I dash out, so me glad me come out. Ready feel it, what you talking about? Road me live, me no want see no host. Me a rave and a wait, and the sun fi go out. Bubble, gala bubble, bubble, gala bubble, bubble, gala bubble, bubble, me ma bubble, bubble, gala bubble, bubble, gala bubble, bubble, gala bubble. Alright then, y'all live on head top and spin like it. Me have to ask if some of them right it. Watch the one that with the wire waistline. Watch your body, yo, damn, look how that crack up, y'all. Show your talent and skill. Red label wine, you a turn on the trail. Like a bus in my head like grenade. But all when me talking, delete me all left. Y'all a dash out, so me glad me come out. Ready for left, what you talking about? Road me lift, me no want see no host.
I get back to the car, what is son doing? My boys over here eating, bro. Go outside and enjoy the car meet, gang. This is what we here for.
After the meal.
Brother man. You found parking?
One of the fastest niggas I know.
Imagine.
Every time I see him, he got 2 more V's.
Imagine.
Don't even come for me, man.
Pack boys, you already know.
That nigga has had every 3
The
series.
third beam and seamer. Yo.
Every last one.
Alright, chat.
Don't say nothing about me. What happened?
Nigga said don't say nothing about him. He pulled up with nobody. Yeah, big turbo. That nigga pulled up with nobody.
Some people are gonna think that I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is Isaiah.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go yo, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my dirty.
Crash out, Junior.
Just chill.
Meu blood clot. Meu blood clot.
Girl, I wine for the tip of the cocky. I saw me shift with the baggy. I from a pillar, she pop. She never put for the malice. She with a positive malice. So many things that catch. She want to live in a party. She want it.
What the fuck you gotta say about these streets?
Nigga, we outside, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Look at that right there.
So you the nigga behind the camera. So what are you saying? You came out with the bonnet off for what?
No, with the crash outs, he outside right now.
Why is the bonnet off?
Why is the bonnet over?
Are you gonna show us something today?
Listen, I'm gonna show a little something, right?
All right. If the vlog don't see this, that's how y'all know. Gangster.
The vlog might still see it, and nothing might happen. You feel me?
I don't like that for me. It's a lot of people.
It depends what the car wanna do, bro. It ain't me.
It's a lot of people.
I made sure that I fixed it to pull up, nigga. So it depends what the car wanna do.
All right. I can't wait to see.
Look.
One wheel. Yeah!
was a great event, Minty. I'm about to break out of here. Me and the gang is out. You know, we have fun. There was a lot of shit going on. I don't think this vlog gonna end here, but we're gonna see.